In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix Epic Games keeps crashing or it is not launching whenever you're trying to launch it, and how we can fix it on Windows 11 and on Windows 10. So let's get started. So one of the reason why it is keeps crashing is because if any apps is running in the background, that is one of the reason why, because of the compatibility issue, we end up in having this issue. So all we have to do is just go over here and click on this one. As you can see, these are some of the apps that is currently running in the background. So as you can see, Steam is currently running in the background, Epic Games is running in the background, even the malware bytes, and even I'm having another software. So what I need to do is just go over here, right click over here, and what I need to do is I need to exit all these things, go for exit Steam. Similarly, I have to do this for everything, like for example, right click and go for exit. Similarly, I have to do for everything over here and make sure that no thing is running in the background that is not affecting your compatibility. Next one is all about, you have to just go over here, search for settings and click on the settings. Now from here in the settings, what you need to do is just wait, and you have to first and foremost step is all about what you need to do is you have to check from a few things. First and foremost, you have to go to the Windows update here. So over here in the Windows update, what you need to do is check whether if you're having any kind of pending updates and all those things. If you're having any pending updates, just update your Windows and you have to check. That is also very important. Next one is all about, you have to close this and go over here, search for Epic Games Launcher, and you have to go over here, right click, and there is an option called open file location, and you have to click on this one. That is going to take you to this. Now from here, you have to right click once again, and over here you can see there is an open file location, and click on this one. So over here under the Win32, this is the official.exe. So right click over here and go to show more options and go to the properties, go to compatibility. And the first one is all about, make sure that you put a check on run this program as an administrator, and what you need to do is just go for apply and go for OK, and you have to check. If that is not working, just right click over here once again, go to show more options and go to the properties and go to the compatibility, and over here you can see there is an option called disable full screen optimization. Just go for apply and go for OK. Once done, if you close everything over here and on the search, if you try to search here for Epic Games Launcher, you can just click on this one, and what happens is just go for yes. And right now, as you can see, the Epic Games Launcher will be launching without any kind of issue, and this is how we can fix it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.